Hello friends, let's crack together. In this video, we are going to discuss the reasoning, logical reasoning plus mathematical reasoning for the upcoming UGC NET exam 2021. This is my favorite topic because if we practice for this section, okay, reasoning section, just 8 days consistently daily, each and every second, then we will be the master of this topic. And in exam there are approximately 5 questions from this topic, then 10 marks will be in our hand. So let's start for the first question here. The next term in this series, is what? We have to find the next term. In this type of the questions, like number series, just we have to identify the pattern where there is a difference between two terms, there is a addition, there is a multiplication, square or anything. Okay, here the numbers are 2, 5, 10, 17, 26 and 37. What is here? 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Here is 5 plus 5. Okay, here plus 7. Here is plus 9. Here is plus 11. So what will be here? Here is again difference of 2, 2, 2, 2. So 11 plus 2 is 13. So just add these both numbers, 37 plus 13, that is 50. Very simple. Just identify the pattern. So option 1 is correct here, 50. Next question. Anil, after traveling 6 kilometer towards the east. So for the direction based questions, just draw this east, west, south and north. Now as per the information in this question, 6 kilometers toward the east. So this is east direction. So this is 6 kilometer. Anil, after traveling 6 kilometers toward the east from his house. So this is house. Realize that he has traveled in a wrong direction. Okay. He turned and traveled 12 kilometers toward the west. Where is the west direction? Here is. Okay. Just he turned and what is the distance here? 12 kilometer. Now this is 12. Total is 12. Turn right. Again turn right and travel 8 kilometer to reach his office. So this is 8 kilometer. This is Anil's office. Now they ask us straight distance between the office from his house. Means what? This distance. How to solve it? If this is totally is 12, this is 6. Okay, now this will be 6. Here is 8 kilometer. So just let here 8 x. Okay, according to the formula, x square is equals to 8 square one side plus second side square. So 8 square is 64 plus 6 square is 36. So x square will be 100. So x is 10. So final answer is 10 kilometer. Okay, just use this formula. This is very simple questions, direction based questions. According to this, we have to just use east, west, south, north directions and put in the form of structure. Okay, so option 4 is correct here. Next question, the next term in this series. This is also very simple. Okay, in this type of the alphabetical series, we just have to identify the pattern between the first letters. Okay, these are the first letters. What is the difference between in these first letters? B, D, F, H. Okay, now B, C, D means plus 1, D, E, F, F, G, H. According to this, what will be the next? H, I, J. Okay, now what for the last letters? Last letters are here E, H, K, N. E, H, K, N. What is this? E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, N, O, P, Q. Means next letter will be Q. Means here is the last letter. Okay. Now for the numbers. What are the numbers here? 2, 5, 12, 27. Okay. Now here is 2 into 2 plus 1 is 5. 5 into 2 plus 2 is 12. Okay. 12 into 2 plus 3 is equals to 27. Now 27 into 2 plus 4. What will be there? 54 plus 4 is 58. Okay, so middle term is 58, means our option J58K, means option 4 is correct here. This is very simple. Just identify the patterns between first term, first alphabet, then last alphabet and middle term. Very simple. Next question. A party was held in which a grandmother, father, mother, 4 sons, their wives and 1 son, 2 daughters. To each of the sons were present. The number of females present in the party. Now according to the information, we have to count the number of females present in this party. Here 1 grandmother, 1 mother, 4 sons and their wives. So 4 wives, 1 son and 2 daughters to each of the sons. 2 daughters each of the son means what? 4 sons into 2 daughters. Means according to this 1 plus 1 plus these 4 wives plus 4 into 2. 2 daughters to each of the son means 4 into 2. So here is 8. So final answer will be 14 females total in a party. Okay, total number of 14 females. Next question is P and Q are brothers. Okay, P and Q are brothers. This is blood relation type of the question. If there is a male, just write plus, and if there is a female, just write minus sign. If P and Q are brothers, okay, P and Q are brothers. Now R and S are sisters. R and S are sisters. The son of P is brother of S. Here, son of P, who is he? The son of P is brother of S, means brother of S. Okay, if P is the father of this brother of S, then S will be daughter of P. Okay, question is Q is related to R as. Now here Q is related to R as. Okay, according to this given relation, P and Q are brothers, R and S are sisters, and according to this relation, S and this is brother and sisters. Now R and S are daughters of S and P and Q are brothers. So Q is related to R as what? Uncle. Among the following propositions, two are related in such a way that they can both be true. Okay, although they cannot both be false. This is very simple questions. Just use square of oppositions A, E, I, O. What is A here? All. E means no. I means some. And this is some not. Okay. Now according to this square of opposition, this is called as a contrary and these are sub-contraries. In contraries what? They both cannot be true but can be false. Okay, and here in sub-contrary they can both be true but they cannot both be false. Means according to the question we have to identify the propositions which can be both be true. This is valid for this some and some not. Just identify the questions which contains some and here is some not. So answer will be A and D. Where is this? A and D, option 4 is correct. Very simple. Just learn what is square of opposition. What are the tricks in that? This is contrary, this is sub-contrary, these are contradiction, this is subaltern. Okay. According on the basis of this figure, mostly 2 of the questions will be asked. Okay. Next we will see again different questions on this square of opposition. Just learn what is square of opposition in logical reasoning. Next question. A cluster of propositions with a structure that exhibits some inference is called. Now cluster of propositions means number of propositions will be there and if they infer something, okay, which is called as a conclusion. This is nothing but an argument. Okay, this is the definition of the argument. Next question. Consider the following assertion and reason, okay, and select the correct code given below. Okay, there is a question from, this is the question from against square of opposition. All, no, some, and some not. According to the subaltern, okay, this is subaltern. Here assertion is no man is perfect, okay. Means if no man is perfect and some men are not perfect, means we have to find the relations between in these two. Here if this is true, this is also true, because सच हमेशा नीचे जाता है, और if this is false, this will be, no will be false. So according to this, here no man is perfect is true, then some men are not perfect is also true. A option is correct. Both are true, but R does not provide sufficient reason for A. Means if no man is perfect, so how we can say that some men are perfect or some men are not perfect? So option A is correct here. Both are true, but no provide sufficient reason. Next question. A definition that has meaning that is deliberately assigned to some symbol. Okay, there are number of definitions in logical reasoning: lexical, precising, stipulative, and persuasive. Then again formal definition, informal definition. Okay, there are number of definitions. Here, if definition, according to this definition, meaning is assigned to some symbol. Okay, if this is a symbol, if this is a forward symbol, what is the meaning of this? Just go in this right direction. This is left direction. Meaning of these symbols is what? Okay. For example, NET. What is NET? National Eligibility Test, which we have to qualify just in first attempt. Okay. Means meaning is assigned to this some symbol. This definition is nothing but the stipulative definition. Okay. Next question. If the proposition no men are honest, okay, means no is here, is taken to be false, which of the following proposition can be claimed certainly be true? Okay, as per the square of propositions, again I have said that there will be number of questions from this one square of opposition. Here is some. According to the square of opposition, this is called as a contradiction. Means if this is a false no, then some will be true. If this is true, this is false, and vice versa. If no is false, then certainly true will be some. So option B is correct here. Some men are honest. If this no is true, then some will be false, and vice versa. So this is called as a contradiction in square of opposition, just opposite of each other. So option B is correct here. Next question. In a certain code, selection is coded as these letters Q, C, J, A, R, G, M, L. The code for Americans will be. Okay, what will be the pattern between this? This is Q, R, S, means +1, C, D, E, J, K, L, C, D, E, A, B, C, R, S, T, G, H, I, M, N, O, L, M, N, means there is a difference of 1. Now here, according to this, what will be Americans? Y, Z, A, means +1. There is a one letter between this Y and A, that is Z. Then what is M? K, L, M, D, C, D, E, P, Q, R, G, H, I, okay, G, H, I, then A, B, C, Y again here, K, L, M, N, L, M, N, Q, P, Q, R, S. So final answer will be Y, K, C, P, G, A, Y, L, Q. Means option 1 is correct here. Just identify the given pattern and then apply it to the second code. Next question. In this series, the next term will be. What is the pattern here? 3, 11, 23, 39, and here is 59. Okay. In this number series, we have to identify first pattern. Okay, what is the pattern here? Here is what? 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 12 is 23. Here is plus 16. Here is plus 20. Now according to this is difference of 4, 4, 4. So 20 plus 4 is 24. And just add these two terms, 9 plus 4 and 5 plus 2. What will be the answer here? 83. Okay, according to this, option 3 is correct here. First there is a difference of first 8 plus 12, 16, 20, 24. Means every number which will be added is increased by the 4, 4, 4. So just apply the identification of the patterns. Next question. 2 railway tickets from city A to B. Okay, A to B, from city A to C, 3 tickets, 177. 2 railway tickets from the city A to B and 3 tickets from the city A to C cost 177. Next, 3 tickets from city A to B and 2 tickets from the A to C and cost 173. So we have to find fare for city A. Okay, fare for city from city A. As per given information, just use here A to B tickets as X and A to C as Y. So 2 tickets from A to B, so 2x plus 3 tickets from A to C, so 3y is equals to 177. And next will be 3 tickets from city A to B. Now next is 3 tickets from city A to B, means 3x plus 2 tickets from the city A to C, that is 2y, cost is 173. This type of the questions mostly we have solved in school times. What we have to do here? Just cancelling x or y. To cancel, we have to multiply here as 3 for this equation, and for this equation it will be 2. Okay, now if we multiply 1 by 3 and here is 2, what will be the answer? According to the first equation, multiplying by 3, so 3 into 2 is 6x plus 9y is equals to, after multiplying this value equations will be like this. Just here subtracts 6 minus 6, and here 9 minus 4 is 5y is equals to 531 minus 346 will be 185. So here y will be 37. Now after putting this y into equation 1 or 2, what is here? 2x plus 3 into 37 is equals to 177. Now here x will be 33. Okay, so in answer we have to identify the fare for city B from city A. We have considered A to B as a x, so our x is here 33. Okay, so option 4 is correct here, that is 33. It is very simple, just make the equations, solve equations x and y, very simple. Next question, a person walks 10 meter in front. This is person's directions. According to the given information, person walks 10 meter. Okay, then take a right and 10 meter again. Now then every time turning to his left. Okay, first left 5, second left 15, and third left 15. Then every time turning to his left, he walks to the left. Now question is how far he is from his starting point. So this is the starting point and we have to find the distance between starting point and last point. According to this, if this is total is 15, so as this is 10, this is 10 and this is remaining is 5 meter. Okay, As this is 5, then this will also be 5 meter. So distance between the starting point and end point will be 5 meter. Just answer 4 is correct for this, because here he firstly goes in front, then right, then first left 5 meter, second left 15 meter, and third left 15 meter. So we have to identify the distance between starting point and end point. According to the direction based structure, this answer will be 5 meter.